Hello everyone. Good morning to all. This is me, Joy sir. Welcome to LearnTech with Jay. Today we are going to do practical one of C programming. We want to print Hello C and LearnTech with Jay. So we are performing the practical in the W3 Schools Try Editor app. So 1 minute. Give me a 1 minute. Okay. Okay. We are writing the program from the starting. So first of all, we want to write the hash include stdio.h. This is the header file used to print and scan the input and output, used to print the output and take the input. So it will help us to compile the program. So first of all, we will write this header file. Then after, we will call the main function integer main curly brackets. Within that curly brackets, we want to print hello C. Okay, hello C. Then after semicolon. Then after return 0. We will run the program, see if it is running or not. Yeah, it is running. Hello C is printing. If we want to print one more statement, learn tech with joy, then we will again write the printf statement. Within that statement, we will write uh, learn tech with Jay. So yeah, printf learn tech with Jay. Okay. Then after semicolon. Each and every end of the statement, we want to write the semicolon for the compiler needs to understand the printf statement is to be over. So semicolon is mandatory of each of and every line of the code. Okay, in the C program. Again, we will run the program. So here output is that hello C. Then after learn tech with J. Now, if we want to print the learn tech with J, then we will use slash n here. Then after the output will be sorry. 1 minute. Oh my god, what is the problem? Oh, slash n. Okay, okay. See, here we will input the slash n. Then after we will skip one line. Then in new line, the next statement is going to be print. Right. So this is our practical number one. Hello C and learn tech with J. We want to print. Here we are printing the output. Okay. So our practical number one of C programming is over. In the next video, we are going to see the next topics of C programming, comments, data types, variables, and many more topics. Then after we will do practical number 2. So please like, subscribe, and share this video to all of the friends, so all of the friends can easily able to learn how C practicals will be performed. Thank you.